Thank you for choosing Permar Security and our Central Station Online. First, let's start by logging in. Go to www.permarsecurity.com. Login support, Central Station Online. Click here to access. Enter your username and password that we will provide after you view the video. Note the Central Station message can change to provide important details. Click OK. Here you see My Dashboard. You can click the search icon to enter things like the address or site name to locate the account you would like to interact with. Or go back to My Dashboard. You can click Active Customers and you will see a list of customers. Double-click on the account. On the left side is the Jump To options. There are a few options that are not currently available, so we will not discuss every option at this time. Details. Here you see your site name and address, site phone number if available, police and fire contact centers, activity log, and add-on test. We will only discuss the activity log and add-on test in this section. Customer activity log. This is a record of all activity from your account. You can see the date, time, and log description, which could be an alarm or an open-close signal. By default, you will see around the last 30 days. If you would like to see a specific date or time, click the filter icon. Click on the date from to enter the date by using the scroll wheel on your mouse. Then date to enter the date by using the scroll wheel and click search. You can hit the restore and it will show the current information again. You can also search by keywords by entering in a word in the search box. If you need to see a specific user or action, this could assist with finding it faster. Customer activity also has its own Jump To option, which has the exact same functions, just a fuller screen. Add-on test. Click the ellipses. Select a testing time for up to 2 hours. Validate by clicking Done. Enter the reason for testing. This can be as simple as test, then click Start. During this window, we will not dispatch on any alarm that comes in from your facility. If you are completed with your test before the time you entered expired, you can come back in and click the delete icon. Click OK on the warning. Enter the reason for removing test mode. Could be as simple as done testing. Your account will now be live with our monitoring center. Click Refresh and Customer Activity Log to view all activity that occurred during your test. Systems. Most of this is internal programming and view only. We will mention you can see your areas and zones in this section by clicking the Areas and Zones Jump To option. Action patterns, enhanced subscriptions, GPS tracking, and monitoring services are all internal programming and future features that are not currently available. Contact list. Add a new contact by clicking the plus sign. Select Contact. Enter the name and leave all other options as what they are defaulted to. Click Done. This will bring up a new person's contact card. We will briefly discuss each waypoint here at the top. Profile. Access. We have two different access levels. One that can make account edits, one that cannot. If you would like the new person to be able to make edits, you will check can open and close within a schedule, can cancel an alarm, can authorize a schedule change, can put the entire system on test, can edit customer, and can give out customer information. If you do not want this new user to be able to make changes, you would select all the above options minus can edit customer and can give out customer information. Password. Each person is required to have a password. We do not use any other of the items and profiles. Contact points. Phone numbers. If the person will be on the call list for after hours notification, click Add. Select the appropriate type of phone number and enter the phone number. Email address. If you would like to put an email address for this person, this is the area to enter that. Web, we currently do not use this. User ID. If you know the user ID for the person you are adding, this is where you would add that information. Check the box next to the number and enter in the information. This is the number associated with the position the user code is in the panel, not the actual panel code number. Name and address. This is the name of the person you are adding. Web membership. This is information showing who has access to Central Station Online. User-defined fields, not currently a feature we use. Click Done. If you would like to edit an existing user, you highlight the name, click the Edit pencil in the upper right-hand corner, and edit the information using the waypoints we discussed and click Done. Save by clicking the flashing Save button. Call list. You should see an ECVL, Enhanced Call Verification List, and LST2, Call List 2. LST2 is the list of names and numbers we will call for signals that show up on your account. To add a number to the list, you want to highlight the list and click the edit pencil. Click the name one time to put the number in the middle. Then click the plus sign to add the number to the list. To move the number, you can click and hold down and drag to the position you want the number to be in. Click Save. ECVL, the first number listed on the LST2 should be the only number listed on the ECVL. Click Save. Deleting a contact. Currently, if you would like to delete a contact that is also on the call list, you will have to delete them from the call list before you can remove them from the contact list. If they have been removed from the call list, go to the contact list, highlight the contact you want to be removed, click the trash can next to the edit pencil. You will see a warning message. Click OK. Save. You will see a flashing save icon in the upper right-hand area. We recommend saving and saving often because this will time out if you do not interact for a few minutes and all updates could be lost. OC schedules. This is a view-only area if we monitor the times your system should be armed or disarmed. Comments. Internal information regarding dispatching procedures. Plans. Future feature not currently being used. Maintenance issues. This will display any open contact or call list issue our monitoring center found while working within an alarm. Reports. Activity. Customer activity. Customer activity is a detailed report of activity that you can save, print, or email. Select the date. Display now, download, or email. If you would like to email the report, hit the distribution waypoint, highlight the name you would like to email, and click the plus sign. If there is no email available, you can click Advance, enter the name and email address, then click Add. Then click Send Email and it will send to the recipients you have added. Unrestored signals. This would be a report that shows any unrestored signals on your account. This would be ran the same as the customer activity. Master file. This is a master file of your account that would display your contact, call list, and any details in one report. That concludes the training. please contact Permar Security Customer Care at 866-441-7487 so we can send you your username and password. Thank you for your business.